DQM Training provides comprehensive education in all areas of data management. Unlike traditional lecture-based learning, training is delivered in a condensed, bite-sized format. The wide range of content is arranged into pillars, identifying the key themes of data management. Each pillar contains modules which break these themes down into their individual concepts. These pillars and modules are packaged into role-specific courses to give customers the individualized training they need. I hear and I forget, I see and I remember, I do and I understand. It is by this principle that DQM Training has been built. Following industry best practice standards for training, each module is designed to be digested effectively and efficiently. Knowledge is tested frequently as you learn, and combined with interactive learning exercises, subject matter is firmly reinforced as you progress through your training. Concise and direct page presentations deliver the content in an easy to understand format with industry examples to provide context to the theory. You can test your knowledge with questions of increasing difficulty to master each module, starting with basic introductory questions and progressing through more challenging multiple choice questions. Interactive exercises let you put your new knowledge to the test in practical functions and learn by doing. These are a great way to transfer your knowledge into practical skills in an industry context. Once you've mastered the content, online tests are available to complete your training and receive certification. An online community has been built directly into the site, allowing users to discuss content, ask questions, and interact with other users whilst completing the training. User leaderboards can be accessed by yourself or potential employers to compare your scores with others. For further details, please contact DQ Rulebooks at the following email address.